Now next is significant judicial decision. That means a particular judicial decision is very important. The protection provided to citizen by fundamental rights in Constitution has been made more meaningful through various decisions of judiciary. Some of the important subjects on which the court has given judgment include rights of children, protection of human rights, protection of honor and dignity of women, individual freedom, tribal empowerment. These efforts have made the political process in India more mature. Now, we are supposed to understand the role of judiciary. The judiciary has played a very important. The role of judiciary is very important because it is with the help of judiciary, any government can strengthen the democratic values and can achieve objective social justice and equality in India. Understood? The objective social justice and equality can be achieved, or it is going to achieve, with the help of judiciary. Judiciary has given the power to interpret the Constitution. So judiciary is having the power to interpret Constitution. So any type of amendment can be done with the help of judicial decision. The judiciary has specified the limitation of the Parliament while amending the Constitution. So Parliament is having certain limitation, and within the limitation, that amendment can be done with the help of judiciary and Constitution. So understood, the role of judiciary is very important. Prime Minister, President, already we know that President, Prime Minister cannot take any type of individual decision without the help of judiciary. So it is the judiciary or judicial decision which are making important amendments in the Constitution, and how they are going to make, with the keeping the criteria, keeping certain objective in the mind, that what is the need of the present situation. Suppose it includes the rights of children. Now we know that Child Labor Act, understood? Child Labor Act was there. Why it was implemented? Because government doesn't want our society, for the development of the society, we need to develop the particular section of the people, which includes children also. And what is the right of the children? Education. They should have education. They should have good family life. So this type of thing should be there. So it was given a provision includes the rights of children to have compulsory and free education. Protection of human rights. Human rights, already we know that it is very important for the people all over the world. So how this right will avail any type of merits to the people unless it is protected by judiciary. Understood? The judiciary has specified, Parliament has no power to alter the basic structure of Constitution. So already I told you, within the framework, the amendment should be done by the Parliament. So protection of honor, dignity of women, individual freedom. So already women, protection of honor of women, or we can say women empowerment, all this thing, women reservation, which was given in order to develop, progress women section of the society. These efforts have been made in the political process in India more mature. So political process, since we need to understand, if we want to understand the political process, so all these things should be kept in mind, that what are the role of particular section, or how this can be made into a development program. Understood? Now here one very important, this is very important to understand, or this blue box is very important from the point of view of concept map. So what should be done to bring good governments in the democracy? So how we can say that this is a good government, or these are the best qualities of democracy? So following are the points which is there in blue points. Accountable, responsible government. The government should be responsible for every act or for every developmental work. The responsibility should be taken by government, because it is the government which is going to look after the whole country. Effective and efficient government. Obviously, effective and efficient government should be there. Unless efficient government is there, development cannot be done. The people will not have faith, any type of faith in the government. Responsive government, that means the government should be responsive any type of, so for that Right of Information Act was there, with the which acts a link between common people and the government. So responsive, if any demand is there, if any wants of the citizen is there, so it should be have responsive quality by the government, that we should have faith that government is at least responding to our needs. Transparency in working of the government, so this is very important, that we are supposed to know that what the government is doing. So for that transparency is there, for the common, so for that common people will have faith in government. So transparency is very important. Just and all inclusive development, just means justice, so everybody should have social justice, so that is very important. And all inclusive development, everybody will have development. It is not that a particular section of the people or the particular section of the society they will have development, they will enjoy all the developmental programs or all the facility provision given by the government. No, all section of the society should be included in the developmental program or those provisions given by government. People's participation in governing and decision making process, so it is very important. People's participation, for that the government has reduced the age of voting, because the larger section of the people of the society, which consists of young generation, should have participation in political process. So age of voting was reduced. So this type of thing should be there if we want to have good governments or good characteristic of democracy. Understood? So democracy cannot be successful unless the government or the constitution adopted all these values. So it is very important. So this is the qualities of good government or good democracy. So judgment given by the Supreme Court on the above recent years. So this we find out, and you can read any type of extra information about how the Supreme Court have done so many things which is benefit for the common people, what steps they have taken for the people. Understood? So we are supposed to, so this chapter, by this time you have understood that working of constitution for any country is very important, and how the constitution working on the basis of following principles. So those principles are very important for the development of any country. So in the context of Indian democracy, these values are very important. There are many challenges before India's democracy. See, this chapter, this content was there in your previous classes. We have studied that so many challenges before Indian democracies were there. Governments, act, policies have not put an end to all problems, but it is the we can say it is the initiative of the people should be there. Unless the we can say initiative of people as well as government is not there, a country cannot develop. So we should have the initiative also. So now we can take example of today's condition. Here government is planning so many things, government is implementing so many things, but it is the initiative of the people, or it is the with the help of the people we can change the present scenario. Yes, you are right. I am talking about coronavirus. Your government is doing so many things which is benefit for the people. But for the people, it is the duty of citizen to take it very seriously, because it is for the benefit of the people, and we should abide by the rules, we should follow the rules. And unless a people, we can say, remember the individual satyagraha where Acharya Vinoba Bhave, he told people that unless every individual is not going to do satyagraha, we cannot achieve independence. So here every individual is going to look after the values which is given in our constitution, their duty. They should understand that it is every individual duty to strengthen the values of democracy in country. So whatever difficulties are there, everybody together we can fight and we can save the values of democracy in our country. So this was all about your chapter. I hope you have understood well. We are supposed to read your lessons thoroughly, read twice, read thrice, and understand it. I hope you have understood it well. Read your lessons thoroughly